there are, what I can think of, 9 other witnesses, the majority of whom are either neutral or actually Ms. Heard's own witnesses, who have testified in various forums, various times, that there were no injuries to her face whatsoever between the 21st and the 27th, when suddenly there were bruises.
Ever since the infamous Depp versus Heard trial wrapped up, more and more evidence has been coming forward on how Amber tried to frame and destroy Johnny. And this time is a new email that has been leaked online that has shaken the fans. So did Amber really have a master plan to destroy Johnny for good? What new details were exposed in this new bombshell email? The email in question is from Adam Waldman, the lawyer that represented Johnny in his libel case against The Sun. During the 2020 libel case, Amber blamed Johnny of sexual assault in a pretrial hearing. Reacting to this, the Daily Mail published comments of Adam on Amber's fake allegations against DV. These comments were also the topic of discussion in the 2022 defamation case between Amber and Johnny, during which the jury found Waldman of defaming Amber. So what were these comments? Waldman said to the Daily Mail, "Amber Heard and her friends in the media use fake allegations as both a sword and shield, depending on their needs. They have selected some of hoax facts as the sword, inflicting them on the public and Mr. Depp. Public or private, it will make no difference to our obliteration of Ms. Heard's new but not improved hoax with mushrooming evidence, including her own secretly recorded audio tapes." Waldman then called Amber's claims of Johnny throwing a phone at her a hoax and revealed it as an ambush to frame Johnny. Quite simply, this was an ambush, a hoax. They set Mr. Depp up by calling the cops, but the first attempt didn't do the trick. The first officers came to the penthouses, thoroughly searched and interviewed, and left after seeing no damage to face or property.
Did you see or hear or witness anything indicating that there had been a domestic violence perpetrated?
I did not.
Up until you knocked on that door, did you see anything which you would have considered out of the ordinary?
I did not.
Did you see any stains on the floor?
Not that I recall.
Did you see any vandalism in that area?
No, I did not.
Did you see any broken glass in that area?
I did not.
And how, in the hallway, how far were you standing from Ms. Heard?
It was close, probably like 2 to 5 feet.
Okay. And at that time, did you notice any injuries on Ms. Heard?
I did not.
Okay. Were you looking to see if she had any injuries at that time?
Yes, I was.
And so you were looking to see if Ms. Heard had any injuries, and you determined that she did not. Is that accurate?
Correct.
But once this first attempt didn't work, Amber and her friends spilled a little wine and roughed the place up, got their stories straight under the direction of a lawyer and publicist, and then placed a second call to 911. But as we are well aware, even this didn't do the trick, because the police officers who came in the second time gave sworn testimonies that they did not see any sign of crime. And now, ever since the new email has been leaked, users online are saying that Adam was speaking the truth, and it indeed was an ambush orchestrated by Amber and her friends to frame Johnny. So did the jury wrongfully accuse Adam of defaming Amber? The email in question is an email that Adam sent to Ben Chu and Camille Vasquez in 2019. In the email, Adam reveals the key points he made while talking to Josh Drew, one of Amber's friends who was present in Amber and Johnny's apartment the night they called the cops. Adam reveals that Josh confirmed that the allegations made by Amber in May 2016 were a hoax and were planned with the help of Rocky Pennington, Josh Drew, and Samantha Spector, Amber's divorce lawyer. Rocky and Amber's sworn stories that she was summoned by an 8:07 p.m. text to come to help her with Berserk Johnny was a lie. Rocky was hiding in Penthouse 5 all along, almost certainly in the coke closet by the front door, which explains both the security guard's testimony that she never came past them and was already in the apartment when they entered, and Johnny's that Rocky just came out of nowhere past his right shoulder to stand with Amber. This makes the whole thing a setup and discredits both their testimony. Waldman also revealed that Josh confirmed that there was a long gap between Johnny's departure and calling the cops. Waldman revealed that during that time, they all sat together in Penthouse 3 on the phone with Samantha Spector, her divorce lawyer, who was guiding them to write it all down to get their stories straight before calling the cops. So according to Waldman's leaked email, backed up by Josh's interview with Adam, Amber did orchestrate an ambush with her friends to falsely accuse Johnny of DV and frame him. Ever since the email has been leaked, fans have been saying that Adam was falsely accused of defaming Amber when all the while he did, indeed, speak the truth, but it was Josh who changed her story during his deposition. Reacting to this, one fan commented, "Well, guess Adam Waldman was absolutely correct on that statement. They did take time to tie up the hoax." Another user commented, "May 21st was a hoax, the whole thing was set up." I hope we see more from Adam Waldman, who will close this whole thing down. MS Heard and her liars have been exposed, and fans are insisting Johnny should appeal jury's verdict on the $2 million that was awarded to Amber. Johnny Depp could appeal the Amber Heard $2 million judgment with new evidence from Adam Waldman's Josh Drew deposition. Drew said it was a hoax. Should Amber and her friends be punished for lying in the court of law? Do you think Johnny should appeal? Let us know what you think in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more celebrities news just like this.